Good morning. Hello, my tiny tots. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. I'm your Hetal ma'am. Today, in English session, we are going to learn a new alphabet E. So, before learning that new alphabet, let's do a quick recap of alphabet A, B, C and D. Which alphabet is this? A. A for apple. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for ball. B for ball. B for bat. B for bat. Children, which alphabet is this? C. C for cat. C for cat. C for cake. C for cake. D for dog. D for dog. D for doll. D for doll. See children, which alphabet is this? E. E says E. E says E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Elephant lives in jungle. It loves to eat bananas. See children, which alphabet is this? E. E says E. E says E. E for engine. Do you know children? This engine runs on rails like this on the railway track. And how does it makes the sound? उसकी आवाज कैसे होती है पता है आपको? See children. E for eye. E for eye. Do you know children? What do we do with our eye? We see with our eyes. And how many eyes we have? We have 1, 2. 2 eyes. Come on, do like this. We see with the eyes. Come on, see like this. Arey wow, very nice. E for egg. E for egg. Let's do an activity for alphabet E. Look children, what are these? Sabudanas. And what is this? Fevicol. This is E for egg. Now, ma'am is going to apply glue on it and sprinkle these sabudanas on this. So, let's begin. See what is in ma'am's hand? Glue. Now, ma'am is going to apply the glue all over the egg like this and spread it. See children. Now, ma'am is going to use her index finger and spread it all over the egg equally. Can you see? Now, ma'am is going to take sabudanas and sprinkle on it like this. Slowly, slowly. Again, she will take it and sprinkle on it. See children. Now, ma'am will press gently the sabudanas to stick on the egg. Again, she'll take the sabudanas and sprinkle on the side of it. See. Now in the center. And now again ma'am will press it gently, the sabudanas to let it stick. Now she will lift up the egg and remove the excess of sabudanas in the bowl and clean the place over. The sabudanas which have fallen down, we'll pick it up and put it in the bowl again. And we will clean up the place near the activity. Can you see? Ma'am is picking up the small sabudanas and putting it in the bowl. See children. Now what did ma'am make? Ma'am made E for egg. E for egg. Look children, what is this? Clay. And which color? Red color. Now with this clay we are going to make alphabet E. So let's begin. What we will do, we'll take some small proportion of it and we will roll it like this. See children. Can you see? Ma'am is rolling it. See. Now we will place this here. Now we will take another small proportion of it and again roll it like this. See, children. Now we will place this here on top. Now again we will take some proportion and roll it like this. See children, now we will place this here down. Now we will take a small proportion of the dough and roll it. Now we will place this small proportion in the center. See children, what did we make? We made alphabet E. Alphabet E. E for egg. E for egg. So children, did you enjoy the activity? Okay then. Bye. See you. Take care.